Hello friends, welcome back to my exam coaching classes once again. So first of all, thank you so much for watching my videos and thank you so much for your support. So in the previous two videos, we have seen data interpretation part 1 and part 2. This video, we are covering part number 3 of data interpretation. And in the next video, that is part number 4, we will be completing the whole syllabus for your competitive exams on the topic data interpretation. So all these four sessions are very, very important, which will give you the complete syllabus of data interpretation for all your competitive exams. Okay, so let us go to part number 3 and let us see what are the important topics, what are the important questions we have to solve in part 3. So let us go to the questions. So here is your first question, students. The question is, answer the following questions based on the information given in the following table regarding a manufacturing company. So here you can see in the question, year 2005, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and turnover is given, and gross profit is given, and net profit is given. So here you can just have a glance what all are the points, what are the values given over the years from 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008 and 2009. We have the total turnover 351.6 and 407.9, then 380.1 and 439.7 and 485.9. Similarly, the gross profit 155.5, 134.3, like that values are given, and net profit is also given. So here you can see the net profit for the first year, that is 2005, it is 54.2. Then it reduces here, again reduces here, then there is a increase here, and here also again there is a increase. So all this data will be very useful when we solve the questions. So let us go to the question, students. So here is your first question. The total turnover in 2008 is approximately what percentage of the total turnover in 2005? So the total turnover in 2008. So here you can see the total turnover in 2008 is 439.7. So let us take that value 439.7, and the total turnover in 2005. In 2005, the total turnover is 351.6. So that value also let us take 351.6. So what is asked here? The total turnover in 2008. The total turnover in 2008 is what percentage of the total turnover in 2005? So we can divide this and multiply it by 100. Simple way you can calculate it. Now the approximate value only we need to find out here. So here this 439, let me take it as 440, and this 351.6, let me take it as approximately 350 multiplied by 100. So you can cut this zeros and zeros. You can cancel it with how many times? You can cancel it with here 5 7 times, here 5 2 times. So this becomes what? 880 divided by 7. So 880 divided by 7, it comes how much? 1 time, 2 time, approximately 125. Okay, so the answer is answer B. You can mark the answer B. So these are approximate values. You need not to calculate 439.7. Approximately you can take it as 440, and 351.6 you can take it as 350 for easy calculations, and you can find out the value. Kindly note it. Then we will go to the next question. So the next question is, in which year the difference between the total turnover and gross profit is the least? All these are basic questions. So you can directly take it from the given table. In which year the difference between the total turnover and gross profit is least. Total turnover and gross profit is least. So total turnover and gross profit is least. So here you can see the turnover is how much. In 2005, the turnover is approximately 351 and profit is 54. So what is the difference between 351 and 54? So here you can say it is near about 297, and in here it is 407.9. Here it is 42. So 407.9, I can take it as 408. Difference will be approximately equal to 366. Here 380.1 and 38.9. This 38.9 you can take it as 39. So approximately here it will be equal to what? 341. And here it is 439.7. So I can make it as 440 minus 50. So approximately it becomes 390. And here it is 485.9. So I will make it as 486, and 65 I can make it as 65.8. I can make it as 66. So the difference approximately 420. So these all are the difference. Now what is asked, in which year the difference between the total turnover profit is the least, the lowest. The lowest is here in which year? In 2005. So 2005 we have 297 only, that is the least. So 2005 is the correct answer, which is not there in the given options. So you can mark none of this as the correct option. So kindly note it. So these all are mental calculations, or you can see these all are you can calculate directly from the given question. So you need not to write much approximate calculations and you can make it. So these are our basic questions. Let us go to the next question based on this graph. The next question is, the net profit of 2007 is approximately what percentage of the turnover in 2009? The net profit of 2007. The net profit of 2007 is 38.9. So we have been asked to find out 38.9 is what percentage of the total turnover in 2009. In 2009, the total turnover is how much? 485.9. So 485.9 and multiplied by 100. This is what we have been asked to find out. 38.9 out of 485.9. So 38.9 approximately we can take it as what? 40. And 485.9, let me take it as 485. So it is easy for us to cancel it with the 5. Multiplied by 100. So here I can cut 485 and 100. Here 20 times. Here it is 97 times. So it becomes what? It becomes 800 by 97. So 800 by 97 will be approximately equal to what? 800 by 100. So this will become, you can cut it as 8%. So here we have been asked to find out what? We have been asked to find out the approximate value. We need not to find out the exact value. So approximate value will be approximately 8%. Okay. So accordingly, you can mark the correct answer as 8%. All these type of questions, student, you need not to waste time solving all these questions by calculating to the exact decimal places. In the question itself, it is asked what is the approximate value. So you can take 38.9 as equal to rounding off to next number 40. 485.9 I am taking it as 485. Why I am taking it like this? Because it is easy for us to cancel with the numbers like 2, 3, 5, etc. So now we got 800 divided by 97. So instead of calculating 800 by 97, we can approximate value. We can take it as 800 by 100, which is equal to 8%. So accordingly, you can mark the correct option from the given options. Kindly note it. Then we will go to the next question. All these questions are basic questions. Next question. The percentage increase in the gross profit was the largest in which year as compared to previous one? The percentage increase in the gross profit. The percentage increase in the gross profit was maximum in which year? So here you can see gross profit is 155. and net profit is 54.2. And here gross profit is 134. Here gross profit is 149. Here gross profit is 160. And the next gross profit is 203. Here you can see the percentage increase in the gross profit in 2005 to 2006. There is actually a reduction. There is no increase. 155 to 134. From 134 to 149, approximately there is an increase of approximately, you can say, 10%. So here 149 to 160, it is approximately an increase of 7 point something 8%. So here 160 to 203, 40 rupees difference. So it is an approximately an increase of near about 26-27%. So what is the percentage increase of gross profit was largest in which year? So largest was from 2008 to 2009. So 2009 is the largest increase. So accordingly 2009 you can mark as the correct option. So you can see here 155 to 134, there is a decrease in percentage. 134 to 149, so there is a difference of approximately 15 rupees. So 15 out of 134 multiplied by 100, you will get approximately, it is equal to 10 point something percentage. From 149 to 160, you can see it is a difference of 11. 11 by 149 multiplied by 100, you will get approximately is equal to some 7.8 or 8% approximately. Here 160 to 203, it is a difference of 43, approximately 43 rupees. Yeah, 43 difference percentage, and 43 divided by 160 multiplied by 100, you will get approximately it is equal to 28, 26-27%. So that maximum increase is in which year? In 2009. Accordingly, you can mark the correct option 2009. Kindly note it. Then we will go to the next question. So here is your next question. Study the following table and answer the questions. Ages in years: 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, and 40 to 45. And number of persons: 450, 250, 150, 100, 75, and 25. So total it becomes 450 and 750, 20, 250, 700, 850, 850 and 100, 950, 950, 1025, 1050. So total we have 1050 people. Now let us see what are the questions based on this. Here is your first question. The total number of persons in the age group 15 years to 40 years. So 15 to 40, this total will come 15 to 40 up to here. So we have total is 1050. Out of that 1050, this 25 will not be there in that group. So that 25 you can minus. So you will get 1025. So 1025 is the correct answer. Accordingly, you can mark your correct answer as 1025. Understand the question very clearly. The total number of persons in the age group 15 to 40. So here it is 15 to 20, then 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. So 15 to 40 means all this will come. So 15 to 40 we have all these values: 450 and 250, again 150, 100 and 75. Total when you add from total 1050, you have to subtract this 25 to get 1025. So 1025 is your correct answer. Next question. The number of persons in the age group 20 to 30. So 20 to 30 means these two groups. So here we have total 400. So accordingly, correct answer is 400. The total number of persons in the age group 20 to 30. Here you have 20 to 25, then 25 to 30. Total 400. So these are direct answers. The ratio of the number of persons between the age group 20 to 25 and 30 to 35. We need to find out the ratio of persons between the age group 20 to 25. So 20 to 25 we have how much? 250 people, and 30 to 35. 30 to 35 we have 100, and we need to find out the ratio of this. So you can cut zeros and zeros. Here 5 times, here 5 2 times. So the required ratio is 5:2. So accordingly you can mark answer D as the correct option. The ratio of the maximum population in an age group to the total person under study. Here we have the total person under study. The total number of person under study is 1050, that we have already seen. And the ratio of maximum population in age group, in an age group, maximum population in an age group is 450, that is in the age group 15 to 20. So 450 is the maximum age group in one age group, maximum population in one age group, and the total is 1050. We need to find out the ratio between these two. So when you find out the ratio between these two, you can cut zeros and zero. Here 15 will go 3 times, here 15 will go 7 times. So you can ratio, the required ratio is 3:7. So 3:7, accordingly you can mark options E as the correct option. Then next question. The number of person in the age group 25 to 35. Here you can see 25 to 35, these two group. 150 and 100, it becomes total these two, 250. Approximately what percentage of the total number of persons in the age group 15 to 35? 15 to 35, this total, 15 to 35, this total. So it becomes 450 plus 250 plus 150 plus 100. So 450 and 250 is 700, then 850 and 950. So 250 is what percentage of 950? This is what asked. And we need what? We need the approximate value only. We need the approximate value. So you can cut zeros and zeros. Here 250, 5 will go how many times? 50 times. Here 5 will go 19 times. So it becomes approximately 500 divided by 19. So you can make it as approximately equal to 500 divided by 20. So this becomes 25. So approximate value is 25. So when you calculate it exactly, it becomes 28, near about 28%. So you can calculate, you can make it as 28%. See here, we need the calculation 500 divided by 19. Understand very clearly, 500 divided by 19, we are taking as 500 divided by 20. So when you take 500 divided by 20, the value becomes how much? 25. But it is not actually 20, it is actually 19 we should have taken. So it becomes little more than 25. So the approximate value becomes 28. Accordingly, you can mark the correct option. Next question. Next question is about this table. Study the following table carefully to answer the questions that follow. The number of boys and girls taken membership in 5 different sports events of a sports club over the years. So different years are given here. You can see 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98 different years, and different sports events like archery, soccer, cricket, badminton and hockey, and number of boys and number of girls in each sports event, that is also given. So we need to calculate all this total now. According to the questions, we can calculate the total. Let us see what all are the important questions given based on this table. Let us go to the questions first. So the first question is, what is the total number of boys for all events together in 1995? So in 1995, what is the total number of boys? So you can see 1995 means we have to add number of boys here. This number, 859, 778 and 781. These numbers we have to add to get the correct answer. But you need not to add all these things in your exam hall, students. Understand very clearly. Add the unit digit first. Here 2, 2 and 0. Then 9, 11, 11 plus 8, 20, 20, 11 plus 8, 19, 19 plus 1, 20. So 20 means the last digit of the answer should be 0. Understand very clearly. Here it is 2, 2 and 0, 2, 9, 11, 8, 19 and this 1, 20. 20 means the last digit of the answer should be 0. When the last digit is 0, we have only one option here. So you can directly answer the answer B as the correct option. Understand these tricks very clearly. What is asked? What is the total number of boys for all the events together in 1995? So total number of boys, we have to add all these encircled numbers. But here, if you add the unit digit, the answer will have the last digit equal to 0. So we have only one option like that. So you can mark that is the correct answer. If there are two options like that, then you have to go for the next digit also. So let us go to the next question. Okay, the next question is, what is the ratio of the total number of boys to the total number of girls from all the sports events together for the year 1998? So here you can see in 1998, the ratio between the boys to girls. So boys are what? 698, then 765, 571, then 1288 and 1151. So what is the total number of boys? You can see, you can add these 8, 7, 15, 13, 14, 22 and 23. So you can make it as 3, then 9, 6, 9 and 6, 7, 8, 5. Add when you get what? 7, 6, 7, 5, 1, 1 and 11. So you got it is at 44. So 404,473 is the total when you add this. Understand it very clearly. 8, 13, 14, then 22 plus 1, 23, balance 2, 11 and 17, 24, 32 and 5, 37, balance 3, 9 and 16, 9 and 16, 21, 21 and 2, 23 and 1, 24, balance 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 4, 4473 is the answer for all this total of boys. What is the total of girls? Here we have to add 413, 616, 515, 1016 and 1010. When you add this, it becomes how much? 3, 6, 9, 9, 5, 14, 20 and 0. So you got here it is 0, 2, then 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. You got 7. Here it is how much? 4, 6, 10, 15, 25 and 35. So you got here it is 35. So 4473 divided is to 3570. So you can cut it with 3. 3 will go how many times? 1, 4, 9, 1. Here when you cut it with 3, it becomes 1, 1, 9, 0. Again you can cut it with 7. Here 2 times, 1 time, 3 times. Here you can cut it with 7, 1 time, 7 time, 0. So 213 is to 170 is the correct answer. So accordingly you can mark option D as the correct answer. 213 is to 170. So here is your next question. The next question is, what is the ratio of the total number of boys to the total number of girls in the badminton event for all the years together? Badminton event for all the years together. So here you can see what is the total number of boys and what is the total number of girls. Boys to girls for the badminton event. So badminton event, you have to add this total and you have to add this total. So when you add this total, you are getting what? Here you will get 7, 15, 24, 26 and 34. You can add this 7, 6, 13, 20, 24, 30, 38, 41, 1. So you got it as 1, 12, 5, 8, 7, 8, 6, and you got it as 4, 49. So 4, 4, 9, 1, 4. And when you add the total number of girls, 3, 9, 12, 19, 9, 8, 2. So you got it as what? 2. Then 3, 3, 6, 2, 2, 3, and 1. You got it as 8. And 6, 10, 17, 24, 9, and 10. You got 44. So you got boys and girls ratio is 4, 9, 1, 4 is to 4, 4, 8, 2. So you can now you can cancel it with 9. How many times? 9 5s are 45. Then 4 times. Then 6 times. Here when you cancel with the 9, it becomes 498. Again you can cut it with 3. How many times? 1, 8, 2. Again you cut it here with a 6, 3. 166. So it becomes 166. So again you can cut it how many times? 91 and 83. So the required ratio is 91 is to 83. Accordingly mark the correct option. Let us go to the next question. What is the average number of girls from cricket for the given years? Average number of girls from cricket. So what's the total number of girls from cricket? Here you have to add all these values. So when you add all these values, 2 plus 6, 8, 11, 12, 21 and 26. So total you got 6 here. 26, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 12, 19, 27, 35 and 40, 40. 4086 is the total. So average is equal to total divided by total number. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 you have to divide. Average is equal to what? Total number, total sum divided by total number. So total sum we got 4086 and total number we got 6. So when you divide this, you will get, you can cut it 6 times, then 8 times, 1 time, 681. So accordingly you can mark the correct option as 681. Understand this type of questions are very common. What we need to find out? Average is what we need to find out. So what is average? Average is given by the formula. Average is equal to total sum divided by total number. Here the total sum is 4086 and total number is 6. So the answer is 681. If you want to download the complete sample paper, kindly download it from the app Trace the Learning app. First download the app from Google Play Store. The link is also given in the description. You can download the app and the complete sample paper, complete solutions, everything you will get in the app absolutely free. So download the app today and install it and take your preparations to the next level. Thank you for watching once again. Bye bye.